how to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. So if you want to uninstall apps on your Android that won't uninstall or that are system apps, then what you need to do is you need to open up your settings at first. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and you will have an option of security and privacy. So scroll down and then find your security and privacy section. Under that, you will have other security settings, or you can just simply go back and search for device admin apps and tap on it. Here you will have your device admin apps which you can't uninstall. So in order to uninstall the admin apps, then you just need to simply tap on the application and then you will have uninstall app right here. You can go with uninstall and you'll be able to uninstall the application. Or the other thing you can do is just simply scroll down, go with the apps section. From the apps, you need to go with manage apps and make sure that you've selected show system services and select any service that you're comfortable with. Like for example, I'll go with the authenticator again, and here on the bottom you will have uninstall option. You just need to simply go and uninstall and it will fix your problem. Or if you don't have the uninstall option, then you can go with disable, which will be in the bottom left, or you may also have force stop option. You can go with force stop, or you can also go with disable, and in this way you'll be able to uninstall or disable your apps on your Android that won't uninstall. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.